Okay, now this is my 2005 Cadillac STS, and I'm changing my Serpentine belts. My radiator and the air housing unit and the air chamber are all removed, which you don't have to take the radiator out to do this. But since I already have my radiator out, I'm going to show how you change your Serpentine belt. You have two. There's a tensioner right here, which is a 1/2 inch slot. Which you need a 1/2 inch ratchet. I'm just using my breaker bar. And down here at the bottom, this is a smaller one. This is the 3/8. And in order to get to the second one, you have to take the first one out. The first one is just connected to the tensioner, the water pump, the AC compressor, and then a pulley. The power steering pulley. The one in the back connects to the alternator and then the main pulley. They both connect to the main pulley. You can see how this one is in the front and that one's in the back. So what you do is you simply put in your, this is a 1/2 inch into the little tensioner. Put the 1/2 inch in the tensioner, and as you push down, you can see how it releases the tension on that belt. So I'm gonna sit the camera down for a second and go ahead and push this down to release the tension on the belt and to actually move the belt. I'll just take the belt and sit it on top of the water pump pulley. Okay, what I actually did was, when I released the tension, I took the belt, set it on top of the water pump pulley, and then I loosened the tension from the power steering. And then as you see, you can just follow it all the way around, and it comes right on off. You actually go behind the pulley, the tensioner. If I had two hands, I could do this a little easier. So it's stuck. It's not stuck. It's on. It's behind the tensioner. So all I need to do is go ahead and push that down, and then I could just easily grab it. I'll do that in a second. Take it off of there. Okay, now that I've done that, go ahead and just remove the belt. It's funny because you can see it kind of conforms, but it has lines on both sides. Grooves on both sides. because it's hitting the top of pulleys, it's hitting the bottom of pulleys. So now, after I got the top one off, the front one off, the bottom one is pretty much the same thing. You put this is a 3/8 breaker bar in, and you just simply push it down, which I've already done, and then you just take it off, and it comes right on off. Now, the little smaller one, which is the one that goes in the back, this one's actually cracked, so I'm going to replace it. But it doesn't have the lines and grooves on both sides, just on the inside. And then you just take a picture, draw a diagram, so you're not lost on how to put back both your belts. Okay.